Welcome fellow adventurer and dungeon master to a new edition of Character Concept for You, where I create level 1 characters for you to use as either heroes or NPCs. Feel free to change them in any way you like or create your own hero with the build you see before you. My name is Model 42 and today I want to tell you about Tara Lionbloome, an elven ranger who is not only beautiful, but also deadly from afar. Tara has a ranger class DC of 17, the maximum for a level 1 character, and has average strength, amazing dexterity, is flawed in constitution, quite smart, with a slight increase in her instincts and of high beauty and charm. The Spo Maiden is amazingly talented in acrobatics and stealth, very good in diplomacy and intimidation, and decent in medicine, nature, religion, survival and thievery, with the rest being useful from time to time because of her stats or some slight training. She has decent fortitude and willpower, though they pale in comparison to her stunning reflexes. She has well-trained perception, aided by low light vision, and even gets a bonus because of her heritage when she is searching by hearing. Since she is an elf, she can move 30 feet right from the get-go, but only has 15 hit points, which is not amazing, though since she mostly will stay away from close combat, she should be fine. Also, she speaks 4 languages: Common, Elven, Berisian, and Jotun, the latter 2 because of where she lives. Though her HP might be squishy, her armor class is more than decent, with a 17 if not wearing any armor and 18 if she is wearing her leather armor, which is more or less just half of a brow and some wrist guards. But hey, it's fantasy. In close combat she either fights with her dagger or some graceful and stylish kicks to the face, both weapons giving her at least all 3 types of damage and having the best potential to hit for a non-fighter class. Her best bet, however, is attacking from afar with her longbow, which hits just as well and becomes really dangerous if she crits, especially because she specializes in ranged combat, as we will see soon. For her feats, she gains low light vision because she is an elf, gets a hearing bonus for her seek action because she is a whisper elf, and also can seek creatures in a 60 feet cone, which is double the normal range, and we chose the ancestry feat, otherworldly magic, choosing Sigil as an arcane cantrip for her, since it is a very useful spell. Because she has the background of a guard, she gains the quick coercion skill feat, making it easier for her to coerce people in pretty much 1/10 of the usual time. Her class features include the Hunt Prey ability, which we look at later, together with the Hunted Shot, which is the class feat we chose. Also, she has the Hunter's Edge, for which we chose the Precision variant, adding 1d8 precision damage to her first attack each round, as long as it hits her prey. This will become stronger later on, though is absolutely devastating for the early game and makes her an amazing damage dealer or ranged supporter. The Hunt Prey ability designates targets as prey, and gives her a bonus of +2 for perception and survival when tracking that prey. Also, she ignores the second range increment when shooting at the target, meaning she can shoot up to 200 feet, or 40 paces, with her longbow without penalty. Talk about sniping. Speaking about sniping, the Hunted Shot is a single action which she can only do once per round, and only with a ranged weapon with reload 0 at the ready. Like most first-class feats of that sort, she makes 2 attacks, each with their own correct multiple attack penalty, but combines the damage of the 2 before checking for resistances or weaknesses. Good action economy. Also, she has the spell, Sigil, which is an innate cantrip, meaning she can cast it at will and uses charisma for all things spellcasty. The spell allows her to put little signs everywhere if she wants, and is amazing for orientation purposes and marking one's way. She can carry a normal weight of 5 bulk, or 10 max, but with penalty, and carries 4 total at the moment, while still having 32 copper and 13 silver pieces in her purse. She has equipped a leather armor, longbow with 20 arrows, a dagger, fine elven clothes, and a leaf-shaped hair brooch worth 5 silver. Furthermore, she carries a backpack, bedroll, belt pouch, compass, flint and steel, rations for a week, a wooden symbol of a rastal, a sheath for her dagger, soap, water skin, an ordinary white nightgown, an ordinary white dress for festivities in her village, a brown leather raincoat and white winter furs. Tara is an elf with the Whisper Elf heritage, the background of a guard in her village, which she will stop doing once the adventure begins, has the traits elf and humanoid, is a ranger of medium size, prays to the god Erastil, and is of lawful good alignment, keeping to the laws and trying to help in any way she can. She is of Eodine ethnicity, born in Wolfseer in Virisia, not far from Sandpoint, one of the legendary towns of Pathfinder. This graceful beauty is a woman of 86 years and sexually interested in men only, though you can make her whatever you desire. With 1 meter and 71 centimeters, or 5 feet 6 inches, she is not as high as most elves and she weighs 49 kilograms, or 101 pounds. As the 10 points for her personality, I chose all 3 from Elf and Ranger and added 4 of my own. She carefully chooses her relationships, no matter if friends or lovers, since she will most likely outlive them, being that elves can live for up to 600 years, if not more. As elves do, she is interested in strange or complex matters and tries to master them. In her case it is the art of war, which she wants to study and hopefully do her job as a guard even better. Because she lives in an area of plains, farms and forests, her skin and hair color is fair, or blonde, and she has green eyes, since elves reflect their surroundings. She respects the raw power of nature and also knows how to use it, taking what she needs from it, like animals for food or skin. When it comes to the hunt, she thoroughly enjoys it, the adrenaline, the tactics, the thrill of the strike, being as quick and clean as possible. Since it is her job, she also is used to scouting and planning before rushing into things and danger, though sometimes one does not have a choice. She is a healthy and gorgeous woman, though her stamina is not the best and she has a habit of being out of breath after sprinting, preferring the slower and stealthier approach. With all her heart she loves her village of Wolfseer and is very passionate in protecting them from harm, which she also carries with her when villagers in other towns are in mortal danger, remembering her home and what help means to them. As mentioned earlier, she usually is very careful as to whom she spends her life with, though she prefers human men above all else, most likely since she has been around humans all her life. But also she loves the purity in the faces of young village men, with the few friends she has, and maybe makes along the way. She loves to talk about cute animals, her favorite being kittens and chickens. If you want her complete character sheet, so that you do not need to copy and paste from screen, just hop on over to my Facebook and send me a nice little hello, with the added wish for Tara. Thank you for sticking with me to the end, and if you like Tara or just want to help out, leave a like and subscribe for more content and guides. You can also leave a comment of what you think about her or how you would use her in your games. Stay safe my friends, and we will see each other somewhere in Galarian.